Ever stared at a cruise menu dreaming of steak and lobster, only to balk at the hefty add-on prices? Today, we're unlocking 10 dining hacks that let you eat like royalty for free or for just pennies, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars on your next voyage. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be an expert at feasting like a VIP without the VIP bill. Let's dive right into our countdown, starting with number 10. Scout the ship's app for daily menus and specials. Before you even pack your bags, download your cruise line's app. Once on board, make it your daily ritual to browse all the complimentary dining options. You'll see what's cooking in the main dining room, but more importantly, you'll discover hidden gems like themed buffets, pop-up grills, or even a free lobster night. This simple step helps you plan your meals around the best free food, so you're not tempted by an impulse visit to a paid restaurant. By knowing a fantastic sushi bar is included tonight, you can easily save that $20 to $50 you might have spent elsewhere. Think of it as your personal food compass, always pointing toward delicious and free. Coming in at number 9, hit the buffet for build your own masterpieces. Now I know what you're thinking, a buffet is just a buffet. But with a little creativity, you can turn it into a gourmet experience. Don't just grab a pre-made plate, mix and match from different stations. Take that crisp salad and top it with freshly carved roast beef from the carving station. Grab some plain pasta and load it up with shrimp, veggies, and sauces from 3 different spots to create your own signature dish. Cruise lines like Norwegian have incredible variety, offering endless combinations. Why does this work? Because you're crafting a meal that feels custom and upscale, satisfying that craving for something special without spending a dime. You wanted to be tempted by that $30 specialty pasta when you've just created your own royalty-style feast for free. At number 8, we have a simple timing trick. Dine during off-peak hours for premium service. Instead of rushing to the main dining room right when it opens, try going a little later. Think lunch around 1:30 or dinner closer to 8 p.m. By then, the initial crowds have thinned out and the waitstaff isn't as rushed. This means you'll get more attentive service, shorter waits, and maybe even a few extras, like a second dessert or a warmer bread basket. It transforms the standard dining room experience into something that feels much more like fine dining, all at no extra cost. Seasoned cruisers on lines like Princess swear by this method to get a more relaxed and enjoyable meal. You feel more pampered, and the whole experience is elevated. Our number 7 hack is a game changer for your wallet. Opt for specialty restaurant lunches over dinners. Many of us want to try those exclusive steakhouses or fancy Italian bistros, but the dinner prices can be steep. Here's the secret. Many of these places offer a lunch menu for a fraction of the cost. We were talking $15 to $25 for a meal that might cost $40 or more at night, often with a very similar menu. On Royal Caribbean, lunch at Shop's Grill is an absolute steal. To pull this off, book your lunch reservation as soon as you get on the ship using the app, as these spots fill up fast. This hack lets you sample all the upscale eats you want for half the price, saving you a huge chunk of change over a week-long cruise. Sailing into the number 6 spot, leverage room service for free or low-cost luxuries. Imagine waking up and enjoying a quiet breakfast on your balcony, watching the ocean go by without fighting the buffet crowds. It sounds like a luxury upgrade, right? Well, on most cruise lines, a continental breakfast delivered to your room is completely free. We're talking coffee, juice, pastries, and yogurt parfaits. Some lines, like Carnival, have a great selection. Even if you want a hot breakfast, the fee is usually minimal, around $5 to $10. This little luxury saves you from those morning trips to the paid coffee shop and lets you start your day feeling like true royalty. It's also perfect for a late-night snack when you just want to relax in your cabin. Next up, at number 5, take advantage of embarkation day freebies. The moment you step on the ship, the temptation is to head straight for the main buffet, but it's often the most crowded place to be. Instead, be a savvy traveler and seek out the other complimentary venues that open early. Many ships have a pizza station, a grill by the pool, or a sandwich counter ready to serve you. Lines like MSC sometimes even offer welcome snacks or tasting samples as you explore. Why is this a great hack? Because cruise lines often push their paid dining options hard on the first day. By finding these free alternatives, You can grab a delicious meal right away, avoid the chaos, and save yourself that first $20 while you get your bearings. At number 4, we're talking about free money. Use your onboard credit or promotions for dining upgrades. Often when you book a cruise, you'll get onboard credit from your travel agent, the cruise line itself, or even your credit card company. Don't let that credit just sit there. Apply it strategically to elevate your dining. You can use it to cover a specialty dinner, a nice bottle of wine, or a dining package. On Norwegian, the Free at Sea promotion often includes a couple of free specialty meals. This hack literally turns free money into a 5-star dining experience without you spending an extra cent out of pocket. Always check for promotions before and after you book to maximize your value. Now for number 3, explore all complimentary venues beyond the main dining room. So many cruisers get into a routine: buffet for breakfast, main dining room for dinner. But you're missing out. Your ship is packed with hidden gems that are totally free. There might be a 24/7 cafe with pastries and sandwiches, a poolside taco and burrito bar, or an international food counter tucked away somewhere. On Royal Caribbean, Sorrento's pizza is a lifesaver, and it's free anytime you want it. Make it a mission to try a new free spot every day. This not only diversifies your meals so you never get bored, but it also curbs the temptation to pay for something different. You can have a global feast without ever opening your wallet. Our runner-up at number 2 is to join the loyalty programs. Even if it's your first cruise, sign up for the cruise line's loyalty program, like Royal Caribbean's Crown and Anchor Society or Carnival's VIP Club. The perks start on day 1 and get better with every cruise you take. As you move up the tiers, you'll unlock exclusive benefits like free drinks with your meal, priority seating in the dining rooms, or even a complimentary dinner at a specialty restaurant. Reaching a higher status can save you over $100 per cruise with perks like an invitation to the exclusive chef's table. Even at the entry levels, you might get a free appetizer or a bottle of water. It costs nothing to join, and it makes you feel like a valued guest from the very first sail. And finally, the number 1 most powerful cruise dining hack is to book your dining packages pre-cruise for deep discounts. If you know you want to experience several specialty restaurants, do not wait to book them on board. Go online before your trip and buy a dining package. These bundles often cover 3 to 5 meals and can save you anywhere from 20 to 40% compared to paying for each restaurant individually. Royal Caribbean's unlimited dining package, for example, can save a couple over $200. Why is this the top hack? Because you lock in the best price before the packages sell out, and it gives you the freedom to hop between the hibachi grill, the steakhouse, and the Italian bistro like a culinary king or queen, without worrying about the bill each night. It's the ultimate way to plan for a royal dining experience on a smart budget. So, there you have it. 10 proven hacks to help you eat like royalty on your next cruise without breaking the bank. From smart planning to discovering hidden freebies, you're now ready to set sail and feast. Which one of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. Happy cruising!